Hey guys, Alexa's back with another video, and today we're going to be playing, Undertale. For some reason I forgot the name, but we're gonna be playing Undertale. So I just went on the day. I'm going on the day with Pirates right now. So let's start. I snagged one of the official days to my library. He got that out right away. Whoop! It's 12 a.m. So I have to be quiet. We're ready to have a great time. Let's see. Step 1. Press the C for dating hub. Jesus Christ. Well, I can do a pirate's voice, but I don't want to. Just egg. Just egg. I think we're ready for step 2. Step 2. Ask them on a date. Ahem, human. I love your parents. If you guys want me to do the voice, I'll do it. 3 steps. Part 3. Put on some nice clothes for your date. Wait a second. Wear clothing. That bandage hanging off of you. You're already wearing clothing, and not only that. Earlier today, you're also wearing clothing. No, could it be you wanted to leave from the? Yes, I did. No, okay, it's my pirate voice. No, you planned it all. You're way better at dating than I am. No, you're dating power. Oh, it's overnight. Yeah. Don't think you bested me. I, the great Papyrus, have never been beaten at dating, and I never will. I can I can easily keep up with you. Tension. Oh God. You see, I too can wear clothing. In fact, I always wear my special clothes on underneath my regular clothes, just in case someone happens to ask me on a date. Behold. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. I'm sorry. What do you think of my secret style? I love it. No! A genuine compliment. Bruh. What could I do? Why is he so derpy? He's so derpy. Jesus Christ. However, you don't truly understand the hidden power of his outfit. Therefore, what you just said isn't valid. This day won't escalate any further unless you find my secret. But that won't happen. I already know, because I've seen videos. Hey! Oh, let's do it in here! There's no secret about that, just how do I get perseverance? Yeah, he don't understand. Put a bell on your nipple. Bell on your nipple. There's a shirt that you're going to see cool, but I improved it. Okay. He doesn't know what I mean, okay? I already know it's gotta be in them nice juicy legs. Human cells are stronger than monster cells, but the cells overshoot. Dang it! Okay. It must be an. Oh, I see something. His hat's going up. Okay, my hat. Yeah. Why is there a present there? Well, you found my secret. I suppose I have no choice. It's a present just for you. Open it. Are you kidding me? Of course I do. Spaghetti! That's what you're thinking, isn't it? Right. But oh, so wrong. This ain't no plain old pasta. He's trying to be like the white chicken in high school. This is a strange work. I don't know. Silken spaghetti finally aged and no. What the hell is he talking about? Then cooked by me, Master Chef of Hearts. Okay, I probably woke everyone up. Human, it's time to end this. There's no way you can go any further. You take a small bite. Your face finishes up. This is undescribable. Oh my god, you bluffing. Oh shit. Oh fuck. It's over 9,000. Okay, I'm sorry. Human, it's clear now. You landly in. Oh hell no, boy. Just. I rather him be in love with Undyne than Metaton, or even me. Human, I want to see you happy. I Papyrus. Boy, look at the dude. Is it hot in here or is it just me? No, just for disgusting skeleton ribs. I'm sorry, I don't like you that way. You like romantic at me. I mean, I tried very hard. I thought because if it was gonna do it on the day. Listen, baby, you only have one into your intense of dark prison passion with no escape. How how could I have done this to my dear? This is some fucking Romeo and Juliet stuff. No, I wait. That's wrong. I can't feel that anything. Human, help me through these times. I'll keep being your cool friend and act like this never happened. After all, you're very great. It would be tragic to lose friendship, so please don't cry because I won't kiss you because I don't even have lips. Of course you don't. And hey, someday you'll find someone as great as me. We'll know that will help you settle for a second. Best. Second for best. Hold on, guys. Second best. No one can be cool. You can be cool, but you can't be a pirate cool. Hold on, let me retry that. Let me retry that. You can. Wait, oh my gosh, sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, and if you ever reach me, here's my phone number. Call me anytime. Well, gotta go. Okay, guys. I'm just trying to do a funny joke. I'm trying to do a funny joke, okay? Sorry, first thing, I'm just trying to do a funny joke, okay? Guys, you can be cool, but you can't be papyrus cool. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, God, you found me. I was trying to watch other stuff. Okay, I'm gonna leave. Ooh, what's in here? Fuck. What's in here? It's fucking like party. Everyone's getting drunk in here. The door is locked. So shut. What is this? What is this? Please tell me what this is. The rock uncovered in sprinkles. Bitch, I don't see no sprinkles, girl. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Let go. We're going to fight Papyrus again. I just went on a date with him. Oh, okay. Freaking my cat fever. I went on the thing with Sam's little lunch break, so I think I'm gonna transition to water for now. If I lose Wi-Fi, I'm so sad. No, I should go back and save so I don't like save. Okay, good. I saved. Thank God. Oh God, there's a rock. There's rocks. What's in the book? What's over here? Actually. Oh, I don't think you're supposed to get hit by the rocks. Can you? Oh, a flower behind that rushing water. Oof, oof. Boom. Yo, oh God, help me, please, help me, help you. Okay. Oh, am I gonna get copyrighted by Logan Paul? Oh shit. Oh, hi, I'm Dan. I'm here with you. I got in that queue, man. I called you over. Huh, did you fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I, what did I, what, did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard and but in the end I failed. What? You're going to take me, the human soul yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them, you see. Oh shit, she just got real though. She got real though. I understand. I'll help you and you be. Oh fuck the. Ah shit. It's a good thing I didn't even type in frisk, cause I would have entered hard mode. And damn, I would not live. Can you sprint in this game? I'm not sure if you can. Oh, this shit got real though. This shit got real though. Oh, I see that. Star. Fuck, Monster Kid. He scared the shit out of me. Oh, somebody. Oh, he needs some milk. Thank God. Oh, flowers. Step on them. This is so cute. Oh, I know this. This is so cute. Frisk is so adorable in the game. We don't talk about the fandoms though. Okay, there we go. This is so beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm kinda sick. Bye. Bye. Can I? Thank you. This is so cute. I think after I beat this, I'm gonna might stop the video. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna might stop the video. I can't. Where the heck do I go? I could have. I probably might have used that. How do I get it back? I need it back. No, how do I get it back? Maybe I have to go over here again to get him back. Oh, this is some intense music. Yay, now I got it back. Okay. Alright, oh, that's why. It wasn't connected. I freaking suck. Well, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna see how to live stream. So thank you guys for watching and goodbye.